Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, and today we're going to be discussing another common question. I have the front cap off of a T90. On the left, I have an aftermarket reproduction cap. On the right, I have an original cap. This is an NOS cap. I have two different seals here. I have a felt seal and I have a neoprene seal. I'm going to explain why you can't use the neoprene in the original cap. You have to use the felt. On this aftermarket reproduction, you can use either one. As you see, we've already got a neoprene installed. It does come in these caps. On the original, you can see the differences between these two caps. This neoprene seal, it needs a seat. This original cap doesn't have it. You can see that it's there on the reproduction cap. It's already seated in there. Has a nice flush mounted area for a seal. You can see the way that this is supposed to be installed, where the spring is towards the fluid. And then you have this felt seal. This felt seal will fit right down into place. It'll compress the way it's supposed to, goes around the shaft, and it's a nice little buffer seal to go into these original caps. This neoprene seal, however, you can't use it. Not on the original caps, at least. You see that the felt seal fits nicely into the reproduction still because it's got that area there. So you can use either one on that reproduction. I hope this clears that up for you. Thanks for watching.